Hello. This is Rattlehead Triple 13. And yes, that's my nickname, I have to tell you. And well, since I haven't been so productive on YouTube, I mean, yes, I've done 5 videos so far, and yes, this would be the sixth video on my channel. And so I'm going to, on this video, show off my pocket knife collection, starting off with my first pocket knife, which was passed down from my stepdad, and this is what the knife contains. It has a long, no, that's not, that's a saw, which has been pretty useful in cutting off branches, but takes a while. And no, don't you even try to saw a tree down with this. Trust me, it'll take forever. And no, I haven't tried that, and I'm not even gonna try that. And this is this is a long blade of the knife, and this is the short blade. And it's got 2 ball openers. This one has a sharp point. It's got a sharp edge to it. This ball opener has a screwdriver tip as well. And this one here is a corkscrew, which is pretty useful, and haven't used it yet to open any cork. Or may I say remove a cork or whatever. And this is a hook or spike, whatever. I think it's a hook basically. Moving on to my next knife of my collection. This here is what my uncle gave to me. And yes, I have to say my pocket knife collection has been expanding recently. And well, it's old. It's basically like an antique, and it's loose. Oh, and well, it was very dull when I got it, so it took me a while to sharpen the knife. And yeah, that's all I have to say about this knife. And the next one is, yes, this is what my uncle gave to me as well. This is like a sort of a Swiss Army knife, and it's got an engrave feature on it, and the engrave says Christian Life Assembly of God, which that's the church that my uncle works for as a pastor. And yeah, I'll show you the engrave feature if you can see it. I'm just gonna give it a little light so you could probably see it. Nah, I think it didn't went well. Trying to show the engrave. And yes, this is what I bought on the same day that my uncle gave me those pocket knives. And this one is $2, and no, when I got this, it was $2.50 plus tax, which was a deal. I bought it in some surplus store, and they didn't have quite a wide variety of pocket knives, but I like it. It's a lock blade, and on the bottom of the blade it says Saber, and yeah, and it's stainless steel, of course. And yes, this is what I bought on that same day as well, from a different store. it's a karambit knife with a spring-assisted feature to this knife, not a switchblade. And yes, it's hand forged, and it's made from surgical steel. I think that's the quality of the blade, surgical steel. And it's got a pretty awesome design on this knife. It's got like a web design with a spider on it, and it says spider on the blade. And it's got a pocket clip. And tell you this, I'm a big fan of karambit knives. Basically, I have a thing for jagged blades for some reason. I don't know why, but I got a thing for jagged blades like karambit knives. And what else? Oh yes, this is what I bought today. It's a motorbike shaped pocket knife, and the blade has artwork on the blade as well. It's in the background. It's a checkered flag with a road and two motorbikers on the road. And yeah, I'll show you the knife. I'll show the artwork on the knife using some light to reflect it from my cell phone. And that's what I have for my pocket knife collection. And when my pocket knife collection expands, I will let's see, I'll do an update on this collection. And please comment, rate, subscribe. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoy this video. Ask me questions about the knives if you want. And yes, like I said, have a nice day.